Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awan ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. We celebrate today the great feast of the Ascension of the Lord. Ang konteksto ay tila malungkot. Nagpapaalam si Jesus sa kanyang mga disipulo, parang goodbye scene. However, the opposite is true. Jesus is not abandoning his disciples. Rather, he is entrusting his mission to them, to all of us. Sa ating ebanghelyo, bago bumalik si Jesus sa langit, nag-iwan siya ng huling utos. Go and make disciples of all nations. Hindi niya sinabing, go to your comfort zone. Hindi rin niya sinabing, go kayo kung convenient. Ang sinabi lang ni Jesus ay, pumunta kayo. Ibig sabihin, anuman ang mangyari, maranasan at masaksihan natin sa pagmimisyon, huwag tayong maduduwag at mapanghihinaan ng loob. Kapag lahat tayo ay kikilos ng sama-sama, magkakaroon ng pagsulong. In the first reading, the angel tells to the disciples, "Why are you standing there looking at the sky?" Sinasabi na huwag lang mag-look up, pero kumilos din. This teaches us that as baptized believers, our faith is not only about praying and waiting, it compels us to go on mission, to serve and to be witnesses. Marami sa atin ang Christians na nakatingala lang sa langit. We attend Mass, say our prayers, and post Bible verses. Yet we hesitate to live out the gospel in our daily lives. Yung iba pa nga, pa-quote pa ng Bible verses just to justify their alibi and their positions. Nahihiya tayong sa buhay marahil parang corny. Natatakot tayong manindigan sa katotohanan kasi baka makriticize tayo. Today, the world often measures meaning, credibility, and success by the number of followers we have on social media. But let us remember that Jesus does not command us to gain followers. He calls us to make disciples. Making disciples means inspiring others through our witness to follow Christ in real life, not just online. Inspiring others through witnessing is not easy, yet Jesus says the promise brings comfort. I am with you until the end of the age. Though He ascended, He remains present with us in the Eucharist, in the Scriptures, in the Church, and in the people around us. Ang hamon sa atin ngayon ay kumilos at lumahok sa pagmimisyon. Brothers and sisters, the ascension of the Lord is not the end of His mission, but the beginning of ours. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.